سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح وغص الدعاء الخفي الصريح يدعك الصبر.
Welcome to a new day. I'm having kind of like a solo date in London kind of day because it is 18 degrees. Use my hand.
Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. Today is Sunday and I'm out. I'm at the mall now. I'm at Jabi Lake Mall now with my brother. He's here to hang out with his friends and I want to use this opportunity since I'm the designated driver. I just want to use this opportunity to just chill and just breathe, and I love the water here. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't know why I'm excited today. Like it's a Monday, what's making me so excited? That's by the way, I just finished recording this same thing that I'm saying to you guys, and apparently my mic was off. So I guess I'm going to be holding the mic because if I attach it, I will not know if it's turned off or turned on. That's why I keep looking down. But hi guys, how you guys doing? How's your weekend? My weekend was so good. Yesterday, my brother wanted to hang out with his friends and I went to drop him, and I was like, it did not make sense to go all the way to Jabi Lake Mall, go back home and come back again. That would be like waste of fuel. So since he wasn't going to be spending that long, I was like, okay, fine, let me wait for him. And he just felt so good. Like that was the best decision I made yesterday because it felt so nice to just be by myself. But I just love sitting down by the water there. And if you guys remember from my birthday vlog, I went there and I just knew I had to go back there. I didn't know when, but I just knew that it was a place I wanted to go back to. If you're in Lagos and you have the chance to be at the beach, you should take advantage of it because we don't have a beach here. And I would love to go to the beach. But yeah, I'm at work today and I have a ton of editing to do. And like I have work and editing to do. And I also want to film a couple of things with my friend. So yeah, that's the plan for the day. I hope your weekend went well. Mine did, alhamdulillah. I'm so grateful. So yeah, let's head inside and hopefully it's going to be a great week.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح وغص الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيم